Let's change the simple sky in the image to a beautiful gradient sky in two different ways with Photoshop. In the first method, we will go to Edit, then Sky Replacement, which will open this panel which not only just selects sky area but replaces as well. We can select any sky from the existing presets of skies in it. Play with these settings as per your preference or copy this. Make sure the preview is on to see the changes and then press OK to apply. It will create this new group called Sky Replacement Group, which also include a layer of the selected sky area. Let's close this group, activate image layer and add a levels adjustment layer. Create a clipping mask and activate the layer thumbnail. Then while pressing Alt or Option, click on Auto in the Properties panel. Select Find Dark and Light Colors. Choose Shadow, Midtone and Highlight colors from the sky image. Change Blend Mode to Overlay. The second method has more easy steps. So go to Select, then Sky, which will automatically make a selection of sky in the image. Then press Ctrl or Command plus J to get it on a new layer. Rename it as Sky and convert it into a smart object. Then double click to open Layer Style and add Gradient Overlay. Select from the existing ones or create a new gradient. Change the blend mode to multiply, or with normal blend mode we can decrease the opacity. Press OK to apply. Then duplicate the image layer with Ctrl or Command plus J. After that, copy layer style of the sky layer and paste layer style to the duplicate image layer. Then open duplicate image layer style and in gradient overlay check reverse. We can play with the blend mode and opacity in the layer style or layers panel as per the image we are working on. And that's how we can create or add dreamy gradient sky in our images. Here are a couple more examples for it. Let me know which one you like the most. If you're watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment what should we create next in Photoshop. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.